Hello everyone, welcome to Shriram Academy. This is Kritika. We are in session 2 of level 3. Hope you are familiar with the concepts of small friends, big friends and combination method. In all the previous sessions, we used these concepts to solve the problems by using Abacus. In this session, we are going to do the sums by visualizing the abacus and move the beats accordingly. Visualization is one of the main benefits that we can obtain from learning abacus. We'll get into the class. In this session, we are going to do mental sums by visualizing the abacus. In all our previous sessions, we have learned small friends, big friends and combination method, and we solve the sums with the abacus. Now, using these methods, we will see how to do calculations mentally. The students should imagine the bar, rod and the center point. By visualizing the abacus, you can move the beats. Initially, most of the students will see the display abacus and do the calculations. Now we'll start with the first sum. 4, 1, 3. 4 to add 1. This is the way to add 1, 3. Answer is 8. Now we are going to do the sums without abacus. So this is the bar, rod and this is the center point. 4, 1, 3. 8 beats are touching here. So answer is 8. Second sum 3, 2, 1. 3 directly. To add 2, we should use the small friend plus 5 minus 3. Next 1. Answer is 6. 2, 8, 4. Add 2. To add 8 directly is not possible. To add 8 minus 2 plus 10. Here we should imagine here also. So minus 2 plus 10. Next 4 directly. Answer is 10 and 4. Answer 14. Fourth one 9, 6, 5. 9 directly. To add 6 minus 4 plus 10. So these two beats will be there. Now 5. To add 5 minus 5 plus 10. So 2 beats are touching here. So 20. Next is sum 5, 9, 1. 5. To add 9 minus 1 plus 10 is not possible. So we should add 4 minus 5 plus 10. Now we have 14. To add 1 plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 15. Next is sum 7, 6 minus 5. 7. To add 6 plus 1 minus 5 plus 10. To do minus 5 minus 10 plus 5. Answer is 8. Next is sum 9 minus 4, 7. 9 directly. Minus 4 is also directly. Now only one bead will be here. To add 7 plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. So here we have one bead, here 2 beads. Answer will be 12. Next is sum 14 minus 9, 5. 14 directly. To do minus 9 minus 10 plus 5 minus 4. So only the upper bead will be touching the center point. Next to add 5 minus 5 plus 10. Answer is 10. Next is sum 5, 8 minus 5. 5. To add 8 plus 3 minus 5 plus 10. Next is minus 5. To do minus 5 we can't do directly. So minus 10 plus 5. So the touching beads are upper bead 1 and lower bead 3. So 8. Next is sum 6, 9, 5. 6. To add 9 minus 1 plus 10. to add 5 minus 5 plus 10. So 2 bits will be touching in the tens rod only. So the answer is 20. I hope you are confident with mental abacus of what we have learned today. In the beginning, you can solve sums using small digit numbers and eventually you can try out higher digits. In next session, we will do the revision of level 2 and 3. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next session.